just stolen my thunder.
नहीं बट सर अनिल सर सीरियसली जिस हिसाब से आप जा रहे हैं मुझे लग रहा है बड़ी जल्दी वो दिन आएगा कि आप वरुण धवन का यंगर ब्रदर प्ले करेंगे. मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक पोस्टर भी देखा ऑफ योर फिल्म साला खड़ूस. नो दैट्स द नेम ऑफ द फिल्म गाइस and you have to see the transformation and I just got to know you're a vegetarian. You don't eat, yaar, come on, please tell us about this association you had and Shilpa ne kitna aapko stress kiya un cheezon ko leke ki ye khao aisa khao. Maddie, come on, let's have you on stage. Come on, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
One of my dearest friends who's fed up of me because on this one, you want to tell them what I did to you, how I tortured you on a ski holiday.
Yes, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is unexpected, but I made the huge mistake of going on a holiday with Raj Kundra and Shilpa. And it was not a holiday because throughout the holiday, there would be constant reminders about how I'm not fit enough and how I'm fat and how I need to lose weight and how I'm a talented actor and I'm not using my potential and everything.
This was 3
not
years
the
ago.
life out of me.
This was 3 years ago.
So that was the worst spent 5 lakhs of my life. But I think it had its effect on me, and the points were made. They are the experts here. They've written the books. I don't want to say much, but I took it upon myself to find out what this thing is all about, and I realized that there is something in India, one of the biggest saying amongst the in our culture, which says, "You are basically what you eat." And I went to a place where they told me that your health, your wealth, your success rate, the way you think, the way your attitude towards life, the way you handle stress, everything is completely related to the food you eat. And I laughed at them.
I mean, we're both from Chembur. So our love for food is,
I'm a good listener. I just want to listen. I want to listen to all of you all.
He's very emotional.
No, seriously.
He's very happy for me.
Yeah, I'm very happy for you. And I want to listen. I'm a learner. I want to learn. I want to educate myself. Whatever you spoke, whatever Luke spoke, whatever Varun spoke, and of course, I'm looking forward to what Amit ji is going to say, and I'm going to, keep it and, and learn from it and try to become a better person, a better human being, and keep myself fit.
इससे ज़्यादा और क्या fit होंगे आप?
There's a long way to go.
My God, yeah.
क्या बात.
See, indirectly, he just made himself the youngest person in the room.
Yeah.
Basically, ये मेरी speech होनी चाहिए थी. And Amit ji, obviously, even I want to learn from you, and I have learned a lot from you and all of you all. But you've just stolen my thunder.
नहीं बट सर अनिल सर सीरियसली जिस हिसाब से आप जा रहे हैं मुझे लग रहा है बड़ी जल्दी वो दिन आएगा कि आप वरुण धवन का यंगर ब्रदर प्ले करेंगे. जिस हिसाब से आप जा रहे हैं सर. Really, hats off to you. Big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Anil Kapoor sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now welcoming the next. Well, this man needs no introduction, ladies and gentlemen. A legend who looks fitter than most in our generation, even today. Well, he has added new definition to fitness, inspiring all of us not only to eat right, but to imbibe a healthy and positive lifestyle change. Let me tell you, we are truly honored to have him here on this great occasion. And trust me, इनके इंट्रोडक्शन में जब मैं बोलने जाता हूँ मेरे पास वर्ड्स खत्म हो जाते हैं और इन्हीं का डायलॉग मुझे याद आता है बिकॉज वो डायलॉग जो है वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. जहां हम खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वन एंड ओनली मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. एक्चुअली सर सब कंफ्यूज हो गए, कोई सेंटर लेना ही नहीं चाह रहा. सबने कुर्सी खाली छोड़ दी. Okay, finally.
I don't miss this opportunity. With Amit ji over here and I'm in the center.
Actually, I think नहीं सर बिल्कुल सही जगह बैठे हैं because सर जहाँ बैठते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. ये
फिर भी मैं सेंटर में हूँ.
All right, sir.
When we were ready to release the Great Indian Diet, I couldn't think of a greater personality to do it justice than Amit ji. And he's had a great influence in my life, not just professionally, but also personally. He just adds that touch of magic. I wait for him to call me every birthday, and he unfailingly remembers. And I really have started to believe that every time he calls me, he kind of gives me some luck. So this day would have been incomplete without his support. And he very kindly said yes. And my heart fills with gratitude. I don't know how to thank you. So thank you so much, Amitji, for being here. I don't know what to ask you. I just think you've been a great source of inspiration for generations and generations. And like Anilji very rightly said, we all look up to you, and we just continue to learn.